To change Apple Watch fetch, you can do it on your mobile or press and hold. Then you can see the plus option. If you press on plus icon, then all new face watch available here. So if you go to your mobile, then press on face gallery, then you can see all face available here. Suppose you want to add it, press on add, press on add. Now it will be add to your face ID. And if you want to add a custom image, then go to any image on your device, then press on this icon, then you can see it's create Apple Watch. Press on this option. Now select, now press on add, then it will be add as skin as well. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.